Shakas, Aloha Crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Welcome back, witches! I'm back today. Woo! I've taken a long break, huh? I actually, after I finished my Halloween series, I actually started remodeling my bathroom, my master bath, and my master bedroom. So, needless to say, it took me a while because everything from my bedroom went into my craft room. So I couldn't even see my computer, my craft table, none of that. So I'm finally slowly, mostly moved back into my master bedroom. And so I was itching to craft, and here I am. But first off, I want to start with a giveaway. Today is October 1st. Leave a comment below. You must be a subscriber to my channel, a visible one. You must be 18 years or older. I will cut off the comments on October 7th. And then I will draw the winner after that. Good luck, ladies and gents. Thank you, thank you, thank you, crafty friends. And so this is the giveaway. If you watched the series, I will leave a link to the playlist here if you missed it. But this was one of the items that I did make. And it's just the one that has some trim on it. I added this dangle. I also am adding this sequins mix that I put together. Sorry for the glare. And then I also made this flip with a bunch of embellishments that you can use in your Halloween crafting projects. So yes, I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching my videos. I appreciate you coming back every video, leaving comments. I received a lot of great feedback during my Halloween series. I felt lots of love from you, my subbies. And so this is just one of the giveaways. Be watching. I have lots of haul videos coming up. I did go to the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was here in Mesa, Arizona in September, a few weekends ago, and I did some pocket damage there. So, leave a comment below, any kind of comment. It's going to enter you into the giveaway. And like I said, the comments will be cut off on October 7th. This is 2021. And hopefully, good luck to one of you. And if not, watch for more giveaways because I do have lots. I'm also sticking some extra goodies in because I do need to start purging my craft room. It's just overwhelmed with stuff. So, and I can't even use half of the stuff because I can't. There's just too much of it. So what better way than to share it with you, my subbies. So like I said, leave a comment below. You must be 18 years or older. You must be a visible subscriber. Visible. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.